Hello guys, welcome back. I am Valentin and today I'm gonna prepare for you a very easy, very simple dish, and that is garlic prawns. For this we're gonna need the next ingredients. I have 150 grams of prawns, tiger prawns, 3 cloves of garlic chopped, half chili, a bit of parsley, a bit of spring onion, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of white wine, a bit of salt and pepper. And for this dish I'm gonna prepare a sauce, and for that I have the ingredients on the right side, and that's 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 clove of garlic grated, a bit of ginger grated, and 1 teaspoon of dark soya sauce. Dark soya sauce is very strong, so if you don't have dark soya sauce, use regular soya sauce, but put like a bit more, like 3 tablespoons or 4 tablespoons. For the sauce, very simple. We're gonna mix all the ingredients: garlic, ginger, and the dark soy sauce. For the prawns, we need a medium hot heat. Start with the olive oil. Garlic, chili, very important to don't overcook the prawns. We add the wine. Put the spring onion now, salt and pepper, parsley at the end. All the time parsley at the end, you don't want to cook the parsley too much. Yeah, this is my garlic prawn. Let's place it now. Hey guys, this is my garlic prawns. I hope so you guys enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.